In this session, we'll look at the estimate screen and understand how quantities turn into costs and build on. Once the takeoff is completed, the next step is to view the estimate. So we click on the estimate and this will take us to the estimate screen, where all the details are displayed. These are the columns that are required and everything here is completely customizable. We have options like expand and collapse, which allow us to see the higher level values. Also, we can save the estimate under a different name. To create a new copy, we hit on Create. This will create another copy of the same estimate, so we can make changes and adjust the numbers as needed. We can also edit the estimate. For example, if we want to change a value to 2, we click on Apply, and this will update the estimate. After making changes, we can hit on Recalculate. For example, if we are doing any additional takeoff here, we need to hit on Recalculate so the newly added takeoff will show up here. We also have a filter option. For example, if we just want to show only these 2 takeoffs, we can apply the filter, and only those 2 takeoffs will be displayed. If we want to delete something, we click on this, and then click on Delete, and it will be deleted from the screen. In the next session, we'll begin building quotes.